Just turned up at Gordon's house and it was really nice and sunny when I got here, and now look at it. It's absolutely piddling it down and I have absolutely no coat, so I'm going to get frizzy hair. This is not good. Anyway, I am off to go and get the camera for GC Gel Productions because tomorrow I'm going to be interviewing the cast of the Christmas panto for the Birmingham Hippodrome. So I'm going to be interviewing Brian Connolly, I think, which will be quite fun. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that my hair's going to get all curly, which is really pants. Speak to you soon. Bye.